Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will create a model steel spoon with surface feature in SolidWorks. Friends, this video is going to be very important for you because today I will tell you how you can easily make this model with the help of surface tools like boundary surface, lofted surface, and at last all the surfaces will be converted into a single surface by using the knit surface command. After creating this, we will give the thickness by using the thickness tool. At all the sure, you will surely see this video till the end. I hope you will like this tutorial. So let me start this video. First of all, we will create a new part file. Here we will select the millimeter from the file units section. We will change the background of the file from here so that the background of this part file looks good. Here we will start the sketching on the top plane. At first, we will create a base sketch of the spoon like this. Then later we will create the backbone of the spoon. So let's create a center construction horizontal line on the part origin. Here we will create 3 vertical lines on this construction line. Place this line on the part origin with the help of coincident constraint. Okay, alright. Now select these 3 endpoints of the line and choose Make Horizontal. Now select these 3 lines at a time and choose Make Equal. This dimension will keep 105 mm. And this dimension 22.5 mm. Activate the center point arc tool from here. The center of the arc will keep end of the line. Okay, the arc radius will keep 10 mm. The same arc will be created on the end point of the third line. Entire lines will be converted into construction geometry. The arc radius will keep 6 mm. Now we will create 3 more arcs on here. Connecting the arc to each other will be made like this. We will apply the tangent constraint here, selecting one from the other and the other from the third. Fix the dimension on this arc 40 mm. And this dimension will keep 16.5 mm. Now we will select these 2 points and choose the merge points. Okay, alright. Activate the 3-point arc tool. From here also you can pick up any tool which was used recently. Okay, alright. And connect between the 2 previous arcs. Its radius will keep 600 mm. Here now we will select the curves and the center line in the design window as shown. Activate the mirrored entities tool from here. Click OK. Now see here, you will see how easily you can mirror the sketch by selecting in this way. Now here we will add the gap between these 2 points by using the merge points constraint. Okay, that's it. Here the extra construction lines that are left outside the sketch profile will be removed with the help of power trim tool. My base sketch of the steel spoon is finished on here, so we will exit from this sketch. Choose the isometric view from here. Save the file with the name spoon. So now it's time to make the back part of this spoon like this. The total length of this spoon handle 143.5 mm. Now this arc radius is 20 mm. From this end to other end is 12 mm. And this arc is 500 mm. Okay. And this one end to other end is 84 mm. This arc radius is 40 mm and this length is 54 mm. So now let's proceed accordingly. Start the sketching on front plane. We will choose normal to option so that the model view orientation will be aligned parallel to this plane. Now we will create 3 arcs on here. Connecting an arc to each other will be made like this. We will apply the tangent constraint here, selecting one from the other and the other from the third. Okay, alright. This dimension is 84 mm. This is the 12 mm. And this one is the 54 mm. The total length of the handle is 143.5 mm. The radius is 1500 mm. Okay, 20 mm. Alright, 40 mm. Okay. Draw a vertical line on here end of the arc. On this line should be applied the vertical relation. Now select this point and tilt the view of the model like this and press hold shift key and choose this arc. Select here one more option, make piers. Now see it piers. Let's define the dimension of this line as 10 mm. This is the last dimension, otherwise the sketch will not be fully defined. Okay, now this drawing is fully defined on here. Finish the sketch. Here we will create three planes. One is the right plane, this is the by default plane, and create two more planes. Because we need to create some curves to create an appropriate perfect shape on my spoon handle. Something like this. So now let us proceed accordingly. First we will start the sketching on right plane and click normal 2. Draw 3 points arc on here. Be sure the horizontal relation should be applied on both the end points of the arc, otherwise the arc would not be aligned. Okay, and its radius will keep 30 mm. Tilt the model view like this. And apply the make pier selection between the midpoint of this arc and the top arc of the handle of the spoon profile. Be sure the Ctrl Shift key should be pressed together before selecting these two curves. Otherwise the make pier selection would not be visible. Okay, that's it. Here we will enlarge the arc while dragging this endpoint. Make sure it is bigger than the spoon shape. See, I want to tell you one thing here. Whenever you make a model with surface tools, then you will have to make every surface a little bigger than the base sketch. Only then you can make its perfect shape according to your design as you want. So friends, I hope you have understood my point very well. So let's now proceed with our work from here. At first, we will create a new plane on this curve endpoint. Who it would be created parallel to the right plane. And start the sketching on this plane. Draw 3 points arc on here. Here this arc will be of 10 mm radius. Here we will fix the make pierce relation between these two arcs that we had done earlier. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Next, we will create a third plane over this center point of the arc. It would be created parallel to the plane 1 like this. Now select this plane, sketch. Draw another arc on here. This arc radius is 40 mm. And now select this midpoint and this curve and choose make pierce. Now see it's going to make pierce. Let me hide this plane. Now let us start the create the first surface by using the boundary surface tool. We will go on the surface panel. Now you can see here many tools available like extruded surface, revolved surface, lofted surface, boundary surfaces, etc. etc. Since I have already selected the surface option here, if you do not see the surface panel, then you can choose it from here. So let's activate boundary surface tool. First of all, we will select the curve from here. Rotate the drawing in opposite direction. Okay, in the direction 1 area, here I will select this curve. Now you can see the entire curve is selected at a time. This is not correct according to my design, because here I want to select only one arc. Okay, delete the selection from here. So here I will right click and choose the selection manager. Okay, here I will select this curve. Okay, now see I can select the curve separately also. Click the green check mark. Now here the direction to area, I will select this curve. Okay, now see the preview and click OK. See here, one surface is created. Now I will change the material of the spoon as chromium plate. It looks great. Now I will create another surface by using the Lofted Surface command. Pick up this tool. Similarly, we will select the curve by using the Selection Manager option. First, I will select this edge of the surface. OK. And select this curve. OK. OK, now see the preview of Lofted Surface. But here the shape of the handle is not looking very good. So what we will do here is to be add another guide curve to it so that its shape becomes even better. Here in the guide curve section, I will select the sketch 2 under the boundary surface feature. Okay, that's it. Now see, it is looking perfect. Now I will activate this tool once again. At first we will select this one, okay, and this one, and next select this one. Okay, alright, it is looking the perfect shape handle of the model spoon. Now what we will do here is that I have to increase the surface of the handle a little bit. So let's see how we do it. Start the sketching on the front plane and open the visibility of sketch 1. Now we will take the project of this curve. And create a vertical construction line from the center of this arc. Trim the line from here by using the power trim command. And drag this arc something like this. Okay, finish the sketch. And hide the visibility of the sketch 2 from here. Now I will choose the boundary surface tool from here and select this one. And this one. Okay, that's it. See, my surface is extended in this way. Okay, it is looking very nice. Now here all the surface features are collected in the surface bodies folder on the feature design manager toolbar. Okay, that's it. Here we will make all the surfaces be converted into a single surface by using the knit surface command. Alright, now activate this tool from here. At first, we will select the entire surface from the design window like this. And click OK. Now you can see that it has become our single surface. Here we will activate the trim surface command. At first, we will select the trim tool that will be the base sketch of the spoon. Alright, here we will choose the remove selection option. Okay, now we will select the pierce to remove option. Okay. And select this single surface that would be converted into a single surface before. And click OK. Now see, my spoon body is almost ready. Next, we will give the thickness of this surface so that my model is looking perfect visible here. So now we will pick up the Thicken tool from here. OK, and select this surface. And fix the thickness value 1 mm. And click OK to finish the command. Now see, my steel spoon model is looking perfect. I hope you will like this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.